This is my 1986 Toyota pickup truck. Now, looking at it right now, I mean, it's not pretty. This is just a spray paint job on the hood and fender that I did years ago, but it's covered in moss. But yeah, so the last time this truck was cranked, I believe it was the summer of 2019. Oh, dang, dude. I knocked that out way better than I thought I did. I thought it was still caved in, like, mostly. So, it does drive. Like, I've driven it to town since it was totaled. But, wouldn't recommend that. I do need to get a dolly set so I can knock this the rest of the way out. But, I mean, I want to get a brand new hood. This one's detached and looks like there's a fire under it. So, this needs to be addressed. This needs to be addressed. Pretty much we just got to make that look like that. I do have a new grill. I actually purchased a new grill. That's gross back here, but there's the old grill. So I purchased the new grill off eBay and took my grandpa's old grill and took the emblem off of it, stuck that on the new one. So it's got the original emblem on it. Somewhere back here should be a back glass, because this back glass came off of a 95 Toyota that I had. And I think that seal would still work for that other glass, but I didn't like this sliding glass that was on that 95 Toyota, and my grandpa was like, let's just pull the back glass off the 86. So we did that. As far as paint goes, like, it's got some moss growing on it, you know, but it's just part of it. I'll probably get the hood and the fender painted, because like that color, I love the color of the truck, but body wise nothing else is wrong besides that front end damage. You got, my grandpa's a big Alabama fan. If you don't know, I am a South Carolina fan. There was a Dale Earnhardt sticker on this side, but it didn't hold up as well as that Alabama one did. Toyota Town, Huntsville. This is my grandpa's toolbox that he had on this truck when I was a kid. When I got that 95, he let me use that on that truck. I ended up using it on my 2006 Toyota also. So never got rid of that with any of the vehicles that I got rid of. We will get this cleaned out. I know that much. The tires are completely dry rotted. I'm gonna have to get a new radiator, because the last time that it was cranked, the radiator was leaking. Oh my God, no. That's been opened. That's supposed to be sitting down lower and not opened, exposed. Jeez. Every time I open this up, there's a bunch of acorns in it. So you can expect that when we do get it opened. Yep. Oh, there you go. There they are. Acorns. Whatever's been living in here left their acorn collection. There's the interior, and oh my God, the dash is cracked. You guys know, if you're here for Toyota videos, like, you know, the dash is always cracked. But the seat is awful. I don't know if I might put some padding down. It's hard to find a seat though. And like the stuff that my grandpa did to it, I don't want to change it. My grandpa's still alive, but we'll get this guy pulled out and we'll take a better look at it. Alright, so first things first, I need to see if these tires will hold any air so we can roll it out of here. Alright, so the back passenger tire seems to be holding air. Like, I mean, they weren't leaking, it just sat for 5 years. These two on this side, like, they're not down to the rim, so maybe that's a good sign. Alright, so this tire, no good. No good. So we're gonna air up these two. I think there's a spare on the back, so if it is, I'll take that off, put it on the front one. But 3 out of 4 ain't bad. Alright, we got enough air in 3 tires that I'm just gonna hook it up and pull it out, because I don't want to get on the ground out here to get that spare out. Spare's underneath there. I need to get a jack. It's not going to jack good back here. So we'll pull it out, pull it over there, and hopefully the water hose will reach where I can give this boy an old hose down.
So, let's rate this, shall we? On a scale of 1 to 10, with 10, don't even waste your money, and 10 being, oh my God, so good. I'm going to give this, man, I was impressed. Better than I thought it was going to be. I would give it a 91.